Good morning, and today we're talking about the operations, and not only that, we're talking about the properties, and properties are kind of like laws of the four operations, and it's add, subtract, multiply, and divide. And we're on page 368, and it's very important that you understand these. All right, it's kind of the laws and the way we can move in math. And so the first one is on page 368 is commutative. And yeah, let me start again with that. Okay, spelling is never good. Anyways, let's go through that again. It is C-O-M-M-U-T-A-T-I-V-E. And the second one that you need to know is associative. And I do not want you guys getting these mixed up, so really pay attention to these. So they're both properties, and they're both to do with multiplying and adding. Those are the only two operations, multiplying and adding, or adding and multiplying. And it doesn't happen. You can't use these for subtracting or dividing. So adding says, let's look at commutative first. And it says, if I have A plus B, it's the same thing as B plus A. So commutative is kind of like when you commute to school. It is the same distance when you go from your house to school as school back to your house. So you're commuting back and forth, and it's only good for multiplying and adding. So I can say, like, 6 plus 1 is the same thing as 1 plus 6. Or I can say 6 times 2 is the same thing as 2 times 6. Conversely, I cannot say that about subtraction or division. And the second property you need to know is associative. And this one here we're going to pull over here, and it's again for multiplying or adding, and it has 3 terms in it. And it says something like A plus B plus C equals A plus B plus C. If I had enough space, I'd have that going right across. And this deals with parentheses. Which two are you going to do first? So you're going to associate with A and B first, and then C and D. And if you notice, the terms do not change. It is A plus B plus C and equals A plus B plus C, but the parentheses are flipping. In commutative, the numbers are flipping. And so we could say something like this. In associative, 3 times 4 times 5 is the same thing as 3 times 4 times 5, but this case you have the parentheses here, and this case the parentheses are on the other two. But it is the exact same answer. So the commutative property, the numbers are flipping. The associative property, there are 3 terms, and the parentheses is flipping. Hope that helps. Bye-bye.